Speech help and voice-controlled products for sale. Chapter 1. Products to help a person speak. Speech devices for sale. ampli.com, info@ampli.com, 847-498-9000, speech amplifiers. donjohnston.com, 800-999-4660, speaking word processors. dragonzeast.com, word processing from the voice only. luminaud.com, info@luminaud.com, 800-255-3408, speech amplifiers. parksurgical.com, 800-633-7878, speech amplifiers. parrotsoftware.com, 800-727-7681, software for people with speech and memory problems. surftalk.com/shocktalk. synapseadaptive.com. Speech recognition on the computer websites. There are devices for both disabled and non-disabled people that enable you to help run your computer with voice commands and even do word processing by reading in text. There will be mistakes though. It's not a perfect system. You will have to learn how to speak to your computer. Try number 006.45 or TK7882 at the library. Outloud.com, product reviews. aokg.com. andreaelectronics.com. artcomp.com. bluediamondsoftware.com. comdistech.com. commandcorp.com. computeraudio.telex.com. conversa.com. conversity.com. dragonzeastems.com. mkproducts.com. phonics.com. footmouse.com. foxies.com. genmagic.com. goforth.com. groverind.com. hj.com, for blind people. intellilivoice.com. cortam.com. labtech.com. lhs.com. microref.com. mindmaker.com. naturalspec.com. norcomelectronics.com. olympus.com. pitneybose.com, 800-5 Pitney, speech-activated photocopying. planetarymotion.com. plantronics.com. sayicon.com, 877 sayicon. sennheiser.com. shure.com. software.ibm.com/speech. sony.com. speech.philips.com. speechtml.com. speech.cs.cmu.edu/comp.speech. srtdist.com. synapseadaptive.com/joel. text2speech.com. voiceautomated.com, 800-597-6600. voicecontrol.com. voiceit.com, 800-478-6423. voicerecognition.com. voxware.com. vperson.com. vxicorp.com. weebly.com. wildfire.com. expernaut.com. zap1.com/voice-to-text_home.html. zydoc.com.